Feeling like a code copy-paste machine, churning out the same app for every platform? Imagine a world where you write stunning code once and it flawlessly transforms into beautiful native apps for Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac. That world exists and it's powered by .NET MAUI, the revolutionary new framework that's changing the game. Hi everyone, I'm Arvind, Chairman and CEO of Copper Digital. Here at Copper Digital, we've been helping businesses thrive with robust and scalable mobile solutions for over 14 years. We've built over 1,500 mobile solutions, both native and cross-platform. So folks, we know the challenges. Every nuance of replicating code across platforms can be a real headache. In this video, we'll be your guide on this exciting journey. We'll unveil the secrets of .NET MAUI, from its core functionalities to the power of C#. We'll show you how to ditch the complexity of multiple code bases and unlock the potential to reach users on every device. But this isn't just about efficiency. .NET MAUI empowers you to create truly exceptional apps. We'll delve into the tools and techniques that will make your user interfaces shine. Before we get swept away by the efficiency and time-saving magic of .NET MAUI, let's take a step back and understand what's this framework all about. .NET MAUI serves as a pivotal bridge, seamlessly connecting your codebase to various devices. On one end, you can craft elegant, efficient code using C#, a language well-versed by many developers. On the other, .NET MAUI acts as a proficient interpreter, transmuting your C# code to specific dialects comprehensible to each platform, be it Java Kotlin for Android, Swift for iOS, or native languages for Windows and Mac. This eradicates the necessities for separate code bases for each platform, resulting in significant time and resource saving. However, .NET MAUI transcends mere translation. It empowers you to build applications that integrate seamlessly with each device, all stemming from a singular code base. Envision sleek interfaces tailored for Android, fluid interactions on iOS, and intuitive layouts across Windows and Mac. Impressive, isn't it? This not only simplifies development, but also ensures a consistent user experience across diverse devices. Users transitioning from their phones to their laptops encounter a seamless continuum, fostering a natural and intuitive interaction. This exemplifies the potency of .NET MAUI, translating into tangible benefits for your enterprise. Now, how does this consolidated approach translate into business prosperity? Let's dissect it. Let's begin by talking about the reduced cost and turbocharged development. With .NET MAUI in your arsenal, you're saving not just time, but also a boatload of cash. Imagine what you could do with all those extra resources, more developer bandwidth, and more budget to splash on those killer features and make your app a winner. With .NET MAUI, you no longer have to juggle multiple code bases and teams for each platform, as it's all about maximizing ROI and faster time to market. Now, let's talk expansion. With .NET MAUI, taking your app to new heights is a breeze. Gone are the days of rewriting everything for every platform, whether it's Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac. .NET MAUI's got your back. So, say hello to new markets, a broader audience, and maybe even a touch of world domination. Well, almost. But wait, there's more. Let's zoom in on your core competencies. With .NET MAUI in your toolbox, you can let your creativity run wild while it takes care of the technical heavy lifting. That means more time for your team to focus on what they do best, crafting those killer features that set your app apart from competition. Last but not least, let's talk about early market penetration. With .NET MAUI powering your development process, you'll be sprinting ahead of the competition in no time. Imagine the thrill of launching your app before anyone else even knows what hit them. That's the power of being first to the market, and .NET MAUI puts you in that pole position. So get ready to leave your competitors eating your dust as you blaze a trail to success, all thanks to lightning-fast development cycles enabled by .NET MAUI. By leveraging .NET MAUI's single codebase approach, you can streamline development, reach new markets, build trust with your users, and focus on what truly matters, building an amazing app. Now, let's delve into the technical aspects of the .NET MAUI toolbox that directly translates to these business benefits. Firstly, let's tackle the age-old issue of code duplication headaches. Say goodbye to the days of rewriting UI components for each platform. We're introducing a unified control library that streamlines your development process. Whether you're dealing with Android's views or iOS's UI views, you write code once and it seamlessly works across all platforms. Now, let's shift our focus to something sure to bring a smile on UX designers' faces: consistent user experience. With the shared control library in play, your app maintains a consistent look and feel across all platforms. No more confusing users with platform-specific idiosyncrasies. This consistency fosters familiarity, enhancing users' engagement, and potentially reducing support requests. Next on our agenda is declarative UI with XAML. It's not just about separating your UI from the business logic. It's about promoting cleaner, more maintainable code. By prioritizing UI design in XAML, you're simplifying collaboration and ensuring long-term codebase health. And let's not overlook the data binding with MVVM. Bid farewell to the manual data synchronization woes. With data binding, your data sources and UI elements synchronize automatically, minimizing errors and simplifying code management. Plus, with MVVM, your code becomes more testable, leading to fewer bugs and a more robust app. Now, let's inject some serious visual flair with our powerful styling system. With CSS-like styling capabilities, you can fine-tune your app's appearance on each platform with precision. Dynamic theme switching? Absolutely. Empower your users to personalize their experience while effortlessly maintaining visual consistency. Layout considerations are critical. The advanced layout system equips you with tools to create responsive, device-agnostic designs. Grid, stack panel, absolute layout, whatever your layout needs, we've got you covered. Pre-built layout controls enable you to craft complex UI structures swiftly, saving valuable development time and ensuring project momentum. Lastly, data access. With SQLite integration, enjoy efficient local data storage and retrieval across all platforms. This is perfect for managing user preferences, enabling offline functionality, or optimizing data access speed. Thanks to our cross-platform APIs, accessing that data seamlessly across platforms is a breeze. With that said, let's ditch the small talk and dive into why .NET MAUI could be your next cross-platform development hero. Compared to other popular options like Flutter, React Native, Xamarin, unoplatform, and Ionic, .NET MAUI brings some unique advantages to the table, especially for businesses looking to streamline development and reach new audiences. Starting with Flutter, Google's shiny star. So Flutter is a strong competitor known for its smooth performance and customizability. However, it requires learning a new language, Dart, which can add a learning curve for existing developers. Imagine needing to train your whole team on a language just to get started. That might slow down your project timeline. .NET MAUI, on the other hand, leverages the familiar power of C#, potentially reducing onboarding time for your development team. Next up, we have React Native, Meta's brainchild. React Native boasts a massive developer community and a wealth of third-party libraries. This can be great for readily finding solutions and components. However, React Native relies on JavaScript, which can sometimes lead to performance bottlenecks in complex apps. Think about a business app managing a lot of data. You wouldn't want a sluggish performance to frustrate your users. .NET MAUI offers a compiled approach that can deliver smoother performance, especially for data-intensive applications. The third one is Xamarin, Microsoft's veteran. For businesses already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem, Xamarin might seem like a familiar friend. However, since Microsoft is no longer actively developing it, you might miss out on the latest features and bug fixes. .NET MAUI, on the other hand, is actively maintained and constantly evolving, ensuring your apps stay up to date and secure. Think of it as future-proof option that keeps your app competitive. Next, we have unoplatform, the new kid on the block. Unoplatform is a newcomer that promises true code sharing across all platforms. While this sounds ideal, it's still a relatively young framework with smaller community and fewer resources compared to established options. Think of it as a promising trainee superhero, exciting potential, but maybe not ready to take the biggest challenges just yet. .NET MAUI benefits from a larger established community and a wider range of resources readily available. Last but not least, we have Ionic, the web wrapper. Ionic takes hybrid approach using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build cross-platform apps. This can be a good fit for simple apps, but it might struggle with achieving a truly native look and feel on all platforms. Imagine your app feeling a bit out of place on a user's phone, not ideal for building a seamless user experience. .NET MAUI offers platform-specific rendering, which ensures your app feels at home on each device. So, while each framework has its perks, .NET MAUI stands out. It's like your favorite coding language C# on steroids, delivering smooth performance and backed by Microsoft's ongoing development. This translates to faster development, wider app reach, and ultimately, happy users. The dream, right? But choosing the right tool is key. If you're tired of juggling code bases and want to conquer new mobile and desktop territories with a single code base, .NET MAUI might be your secret weapon. So, are you ready to ditch the development slowdown and unleash your inner app building superhero? If you said yes, and who wouldn't, it's time to explore .NET MAUI's potential. Connect with us today to learn more and see how .NET MAUI can transform your next project. Let's build something amazing together.